Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace your Jeep Renegade rear wiper. Replacing your rear wiper blade is a straightforward task that anyone can accomplish with a few simple tools. First, ensure your vehicle is parked securely and the ignition is completely off. You will need a new wiper blade, specifically designed for your Renegade, and possibly a small flathead screwdriver. Understanding the components, the arm, and the blade makes the process much easier. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Carefully lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it stands upright and locks into position. This prevents the arm from snapping back. Next, look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You will find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade straight off the arm's hook. It should detach with minimal effort. With the old blade removed, installing the new one is quick and easy. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Gently slide the new blade onto the arm until it clicks firmly into place. This click confirms it is securely attached. Once the new blade is seated, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window glass. Avoid letting it snap down. Finally, let's perform a quick check to ensure everything is working perfectly. Turn on your Jeep Renegade's ignition and activate the rear wiper function. Watch the new blade as it moves across the window. It should make full, even contact with the glass and clear away any moisture effectively. For best visibility and safety, remember to replace your wiper blades approximately every 6 to 12 months, depending on usage and climate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.